Hi, Athira.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a learning feedback from your side. So, can you introduce about yourself?
I myself, Athira Mohan. I'm pursuing my MTech in Structural Engineer Construction Management, and I'm in second semester. From LBS College of Engineering, I have pursued my BTech, and I'm basically from Kerala, Kasaragod district.
Okay, so how did you get to know about CMTI?
We get to know through our college itself. Our HOD referred CMTI to have. I mean, it would be a great to be part of a CMTI to do the internship.
Okay, so how was the internship in Bangalore?
It was really a great experience. It was my first experience actually. By doing an internship, I got practical knowledge. Apart from the theoretical subjects, we used to study theoretical things at college. But apart from that, we got a great experience by doing practical knowledge by visiting the site, etc. So it's a great experience in my life.
Okay, so how was the coordination of CMTI for your internship?
They are very welcoming, and they used to contact us whether we are going to the site or properly everything is going on in the site, or if we are having any issues or anything. They were properly taking care of us, so it was a great welcoming part.
Okay, so what about the company side? So you were on the site, right? Whether they were giving you a proper guidance, a professional training.
Yes, they provided us a great guidance. First of all, by coming from Kerala, we thought like maybe it would be a great problem, maybe in language or communication skills. But they have been very welcoming. They have provided us each and everything that we wanted to study or they wanted to provide us. So we went to the site every day. Every day we went to the site, and they they just brought us to the site, and they provided everything like from the structural stage or management stage, by also by giving examples or experience in the documentation, etc.
Hope your site experience was good to you.
Yes, it was really good.
Okay, fine. So, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I want to say that maybe some of the people may think that it would be good in Kerala itself, so we may be in our comfortable zone. But I think it would be good that we should go out of our comfortable zone so that we get more experience, more living style, more communication. How is the working place apart from Kerala? That would be a great thing. I would suggest that everyone should do something like that to come out of their comfort zone.
Fine. So, tell me this, Athira, like why internship is very important for the semesters?
Because ever since we are only studying theoretical things in our college or subjects only. I don't think it would be good to only have theoretical knowledge only from the blackboard, like teachers are providing, they are just drawing, we don't have any practical thing. So it would be great experience. So it will, by seeing or studying if for example, if we are talking about reinforcement or something, it would be good to watch and learn from the practical knowledge. That would be really good. So internship was the most important part in the studying or in any college life, especially in this professional engineering course. Internships would be great.
So, thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback and all the best for your upcoming days.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.